Thank you very much to be able to ask about. So
the reality is the J&J vaccine that has been procured through the AVAT mechanism, as has been indicated by the DG, has not been deployed to any station in this republic, and therefore we will be sharing with you once deployments are done and where these vaccines are available in due course. Thank you.
But we think this is a misnomer because many people are waiting for a particular vaccine, and we know from the system if you got AstraZeneca, you are going to get AstraZeneca. So if you are waiting for a different vaccine, please don't delude yourself. And our appeal to you is to come out, go to your nearest designated vaccination center and get vaccinated. So what we are doing is to track them from the njanjo platform, work with the community health volunteers through the county health system, the Nyumba Kumi initiative, and also you as a custodians of public information, to be able to relay the correct information that if you got AstraZeneca,